What you are about to witness is not a simple repair. It is an astonishing act of resurrection. Because hidden within this shell of decay is a secret that time has forgotten. A story of abandonment and neglect is etched into every faded surface. Now, a painstaking journey to reclaim it begins. The first step, stripping away the years of corrosion. Inside the workshop, the true, daunting scale of the task is unveiled. Layer by layer, the car's wounded past is peeled back. Every component tells a story of disuse and decay. The ghosts of forgotten journeys linger in the faded taillights. Even the smallest parts are a testament to time's unforgiving nature. The interior is carefully deconstructed, revealing a cabin frozen in time. What secrets might be hidden within these forgotten spaces? The silent dashboard waits for a chance to live again. Each piece is examined with intense focus and care. A second pair of hands arrives, sharing the immense burden. And beneath the hood, the heart of the beast lies dormant. Together, they begin the intricate surgery on the ancient engine. Experience and youthful energy combine in a shared mission. The entire machine is a monument to what has been lost. The old spark plugs, evidence of a life lived long ago. Their methodical work continues. Driven by an unseen purpose, new lifeblood is carefully introduced, a promise of what's to come. The master and apprentice work in perfect sync. The engine's inner workings reveal decades of grime and corrosion. The slow, transformative process of cleaning begins. Every part of this forgotten relic is broken in some way. Attention turns to the electrical system, the car's nervous system. Each connection must be revived and purified. The rust seems to have consumed the very soul of the machine. The old starter, a symbol of its inability to begin again. The failed component is removed, a critical failure point addressed. With fire and force, they forge a new path forward. More relics of a neglected past are brought into the light through quiet collaboration. They solve one problem after another. The moment of truth approaches. Will their efforts be in vain? For the first time in years, the engine shows a sign of life. But the fight is far from over. The vehicle's decay runs deep. The old, contaminated fluids are drained away. A necessary purge. In moments of rest, the weight of the challenge is palpable. Replenishing the machine, they pour in hope for a new beginning. The meticulous deconstruction continues. Bolt by stubborn bolt, fresh. Clean oil symbolizes a clear path forward. Yet, every component seems to whisper of its own brokenness. A hidden leak reveals another setback, another test of their resolve. Undeterred, they press on, their focus unwavering. The carburetor, the lungs of the engine, requires delicate surgery. The garage has become a sanctuary of restoration. New spark plug wires. Arteries of fire are carefully installed. They diagnose the electrical currents, searching for a steady pulse. Every detail is critical. A single mistake could undo everything. Decades of grime are painstakingly erased. The vehicle stands as a testament to their unyielding dedication, fine-tuning the delicate balance of air and fuel. The battery terminals are cleaned, ensuring a powerful connection. Together, they pour their energy into the heart of the machine. On the workbench, the carburetor is given a new lease on life. The seasoned expert shares his wisdom with the next generation. This fractured piece of metal tells a story of catastrophic failure. From the wreckage, a salvageable component is reclaimed. Chemicals dissolve the rust, revealing the metal hidden beneath. The complex web of the engine systems is slowly reconnected. Sparks fly as broken pieces are fused back together. With intense heat, a permanent bond is forged. On the floor of the garage, the transformative work continues. The repaired part is carefully maneuvered back into place, but the engine weeps, a sign of deeper internal wounds. New parts arrive, symbols of hope in a cardboard box. This is a place where the forgotten are given a second chance. Handfuls of corrosion are pulled from the vehicle's choked airways. Outside, the radiator is purged of its rusty buildup. Modern power tools are used to dismantle the old, stubborn frame. With combined strength, they lift the heavy shell. Precision is key as the delicate components are reassembled. Opening a time capsule of forgotten fluids, they begin the arduous process of restoring the bodywork. They stand back, assessing the monumental progress they've made. The focus now shifts to the chassis, the very skeleton of the car. Working under the immense weight of the vehicle, another piece of the puzzle is carefully removed. The elder craftsman patiently restores a smaller, intricate part. The hood, once a barrier, is now a gateway to the car's revival. He reaches deep into the underbelly, navigating a maze of mechanics. Corrosion fights back, making every turn of the wrench a battle. A piece of the old braking system, worn and unreliable. A powerful adhesive is prepared to mend what was broken. Modern chemistry is applied to century-old engineering. Inside the cabin, the process of renewal begins. The steering wheel, once gripped by hands, now long gone, the body panels are stripped away, revealing the raw, damaged frame. Even the seating, witness to countless stories, is restored. The car is a patchwork of decay and hopeful repair. The ultimate question hangs in the air: will it run? All their knowledge, effort, and hope are poured into this final push. Heavy machinery aids in the final stages of reassembly. It emerges from the workshop, transformed but still bearing its scars. a relic from a bygone era, ready for its final test. Behind the wheel, the journey's end is within his grasp. This was never just about a car. It was about patience, dedication, and the belief that nothing is ever truly lost.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restored Hope for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.